Hey there, how's it going? It's time for the 5th annual VimJam. Starting today, November 8th, you'll have 10 days to make a game with a focus of racing, as well as a theme that will be revealed in just a moment. But first, some quick housekeeping to get out of the way and some dates to keep in mind. The final day to submit your game will be November 18th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. There's a countdown clock on the Jam page that should be updated to your local time zone. Because the Jam is 10 days long, we will not be accepting late submissions, so make sure to get your game submitted before the timer runs out. Also, please leave yourself time to export, upload, and test your game. It's always really unfortunate to go through all the work of making a game, just to have it not load properly and be unplayable. Sometimes things can change from testing in the engine to the exported build, so double check and be sure that people can play the awesome game you make. As a reminder, there are 3 diversifiers you can add for a little bit of extra challenge. They're not required, but they're there for a little bit of fun, and also an extra way to get featured in the showcase video if you'd like to take that opportunity. After the Jam on November 18th and 19th, I've taken 2 days off work and I'll be live streaming playing your games over on Twitch at twitch.tv/vimlark. Then after the week of voting is complete, I'll be playing the top 50 voted games and making a showcase video, featuring the community vote winners as well as my other favorites from the Jam. Retro Indie Josh, who runs 8-Bits to Infinity, will also be making a video featuring the best games that utilize the diversifiers. Both videos will be out around December 9th. Okay, enough blathering, it's time to get to what you're here for. This year, the theme for VimJam 5 is Escape. How you use the theme is up to you. You can be escaping a monster that's chasing you, or you can break free from confinement, or routine. You can fail to be noticed by guards, even dodging projectiles, essentially escaping unscathed. The main goal is to get you to think about your design and create with intention. I always say, if you can justify why it works, you're good to go. So VimJam 5 starts now, and you have until November 18th to create a game with a mechanical focus of racing and a theme of escape. I can't wait to see what you come up with, and I look forward to playing your creations in 10 days. Remember to keep your scope in check. 10 days can sneak up on you faster than you would think. Don't forget to take breaks and stay rested. Good luck and have fun.